today. Let's see if we can leave the mooring under sail without using the engine. The wind is coming from astern and it's naturally going to take us over there where we're looking. So there's nothing in front. So it should be quite safe unless, apart from all the dangers that I haven't yet recognised, which will no doubt become all too apparent very soon. So I'm going to let go of the front mooring lines, and that should, I think the wind's coming slightly off the stern, so I think that'll blow the bow down a little bit. There goes the bow lines. And we are blowing nicely off from there. So now the stern lines. That's one gone. And we're drifting. So first thing is to get the some sail out. Wrong side. Never mind. There we are. And off we go. Okay, that's nice. Now let's jibe ourselves over to the port side somewhere. Wait for the sail to go. Let go of it and pull it in on one side. Good, that's nice. Okay, well, I'm gonna have a little bit of a look and see if I can sail onto the mooring. So we'll just go in there. It's quite breezy for doing this. We'll have a look from well off here and see whether it's going to be doable. It might just be. Little green boat over there. That's my moorings, the next one, this side of that. So we're going to tack in a minute, get that rope ready. Okay, here we go. That's probably enough. So we'll tack again. Boat hook. So I'll be ready to haul the Genoa in as well. Pretty smartish as we come up. Will I have enough way? Will I get there? Might do. Might just about make it, I think. Maybe not quite. I'm about going to be about 2 foot short or something. Gotcha. And we'll tidy it up in a minute, I think. Sometimes low freeboard is a absolute gift, isn't it? There we are, my little darling. Here it is. One side. Through the fair lead. Around there, plenty of grunts. Very important when you're a pensioner to use your grunts. Use them all. Use every grunt you've got now. Try not to drop the boat hook in again, eh, shall we? That sounds like a plan. Try not to drop the skipper in either. Okay. And that just about worked out all right, didn't it? I'm quite happy with that. Okay.
Oh, you New York girls, can't you dance the polka? Yes, away, Santy, my dear Annie. Oh, you New York girls, can't you dance the polka?